Hey guys, welcome back. So yesterday I was out because I was feeling cold and Nick was telling me about some studio renovations he was doing. I'm not sure what to expect, but I guess we'll find out. Oh wow. So as you guys can see here, we have the usual interview space. Our tree is healthy. We have our table that you guys have seen so much, and then we have the interviewee's chair and the interviewer's chair. But if we scroll over to this side, we have this cute little corner desk that Nick has made with this chair. And we have a whole computer setup down here, and our desktop's working, wireless mouse, wireless keyboard. And it looks like Nick will be doing his product showcase from here. We also decorated this place with a little plant. Well, not we, but Nick. You guys know what I mean. What he does is what I do. And he also has this little remote that he told me to try out in the studio. So there's 3 different inputs. So let's see what number 1 does. Oh, that's one light. I turned that one off. Let's see number 2. That's another light. And number 3. Ooh, oh my God, it's the blue light. So we used this blue light before as a holiday decoration. I guess Nick has stolen it for the studio. Cuter things make people happy. I support this. So make sure you guys tune in for the new product showcases videos that Nick will be putting out. And until then, make sure you guys follow the social media that's listed on your screen. And for our previous videos, check us out on YouTube. Bye!